hopefully you got the email from the YouTube that you can now choose your YouTube handle. What is the actually YouTube handle? YouTube handle meaning that you can choose the unique name for your channel or username that it's a unique, nobody can use. It looks like Twitter @name and then Instagram like that. So you got this email. If I show my screen, hi Media Creation Club, you can now choose your channel's handle. Channel handle, it means before we got the custom URL, but custom URL is not unique. So many people using our same name and then the brand is different. So that is the YouTube do a secure handle for your channel, so you can use for your channel. It's fully unique and then nobody can use it. If I select the choose a handle, you can see here change handle and then you can find out URL here. That one is our custom URL. And then if you not got any email from the YouTube, you can check your dashboard. Your dashboard also one pop-up that stand out and help people find and connect with you by choosing a unique YouTube handle. That one also you got the notification from the YouTube on your YouTube studio. If you still haven't get this email or notification, I will put the link in the description so you can simply choose your unique handle. Then I show you now the custom handle, how you can choose the custom handle. Now you can see here, if I click the change, you can simply change here. If I put the different number, then you can see here it's available. If I put only Media Creation Club, that one is not available because this one is I already took another channel, Media Creation Club, that's why it's not available. If I put letters or numbers, so it's available. So that is my actual unique handle. So for example, I just copy this handle @Media Creation Club 1 and then search in the Google. Just search in the Google and enter. You can see first channel is on the Google is my channel. If you have unique handle, you can people will easy to find your channel.
Hello
easily.
friends,
So
welcome to
it's not hard to find your channel. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the new update. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why